Want to know how to add or copy any contract address of any coin or any token from Coinmarketcap, then you have to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. So the first thing you have to know is to know the name of the coin that you want to get the contract address. So if the coin has been already listed on Coinmarketcap or added on Coinmarketcap and you want the name of the coin, you have to know the name of the coin before copying the contract address. Okay, so when you've known the name of the coin, and then you can now head over to CoinMarketCap and search for the contract address of that coin. Currently, these are some of the coins that have been added in the CoinMarketCap. And so for you to be able to search anyone that you've not seen on this list here, you have to come over at the top right here. You have to come over the top right here and search for the name of the coin. So you type the name, you tap on it, then you search for the name of the coin. All right. So let's say for the sake of this video, I'll be using Notcoin as an example. So I'll search for Notcoin. Go ahead and search for Notcoin. You can see it has already popped out right here. All right. So I'll just click on it. I'll click on it. Ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable, okay? So after clicking on it, now you can see here now that it has taken us to this page over here. So what you have to do right now is, you see this top right here. You see this top. You have to go over and then drag it to the left, all right? Or drag it with your hands to the left, all right? So when you drag it with your hand to the left, you now see this about right here. You click on about. And then you scroll down. You click on where you have your contract. This contract right here. You click on it. After clicking on it, now you can see here that this is a particular contract address that we are looking for. So this is the contract address that of Ton. All right. So we'll now click over here and copy the contract address. All right. So there are some cases whereby you can see enough contract address right here. You can see the BNB contract address right here. You can also see the Ethereum contract address right here. All right, you can see 4, you can see 3, or you can see 6. So if you see those cases, just know that those contract addresses were built on the various those contract address that you see right there is the same thing. It's the same coin. It's just that they were built on different networks because of the fees. All right, okay. But I just want you to understand and know that this is how you copy your contract address. So whenever I want to copy your contract address, you just follow these steps to copy anyone you want to be copying. All right. So if you enjoy this video, kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell button so that whenever I drop new videos, you're going to be updated. See you in the next video.